Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Varo bank app on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar and type in Varo bank, and there we go. We will have our search result popping up right away. Now for the downloading and the installing purpose, all you gotta do is tap on this get option, double click right over here, and have to simply now patiently wait for it to be downloaded, which will simply require this blue circle to complete. Once it's done, then it will automatically be downloaded and installed at once. And there you go. Once it's done being downloaded, you will see this option of open. Go ahead, tap on this open, and you will see the app has been installed and is available to be used. Once you go back, it will also be listed right over here for you for your using purpose. Now that's how easy it is for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.